Baby, what's up?
Like, what's up? What's up?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this rainbow cut crease. So I'm starting off with my MAC paint pot in the color soft ochre. I'm so sorry. Every time I do a voiceover, it's always like I always have to mess up a word, or I'm stuttering, or I'm talking too fast, so just bear with me. So I'm just taking a flat eyeshadow brush and then a blending brush, and then blending it out with my concealer that's under my brow. As you can see, I had filmed the eyebrow tutorial before this, so yeah, I'm just blending all of that out. And then I'm taking my Rivera palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm taking a hot pink on a Morphe brush. I'm going to leave the number of the brushes on the screen, so yeah, I don't remember them off the back of my hand. So I'm just taking the color and just patting it on first, and then I'll blend it out. So the next shade that I'm going to be using is the blue shade by the Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. And I haven't used this palette in a while. I usually use my James Charles, but I couldn't find it, so I'm just going off of what I had on hand. So what I'm doing is just going back and forth with the blending brushes that I use for the hot pink and the one that I use for the blue. When I do separate colors, I use separate brushes. It makes the blending process so much easier. As you can see, I'm just going back and forth blending the two colors together, and I haven't even used the purple color, so yeah. So the next step is pretty much explanatory. I'm just taking a yellow on a different brush and blending it into the blue to make green, and just making sure every color is blending into each other. Now I'm taking an angled brush and just lining out my eyelid with the MAC paint pot again, and I'm just making a line just to cut out where I want my glitter to go and how I want the cut crease to be shaped. So on a different brush, I'm taking the glitter adhesive by Eye Candy, and I'm just going over the line. And then I'm going to be taking, I believe it's Champagne is the name of the glitter that I'm using by Violet Voss. It's like a glitter, well, of course it's a glitter, but it's like a silver, shiny, reflective, rainbow kind of glitter thing going on. So yeah, I'm just going to line my my cut crease with that. So now I'm going back in with the same brush that I used the paint pot with. I'm just marking my lid and where I want my eyeshadow to go. What I used was a nude eyeshadow to go over top of this, just to keep the same nude color of the paint pot because I like the way that it looked. So yeah, I just used the same brush, same method. For eyeliner, I'm using the Tarte's eyeliner in black by Tarte, and this is my favorite eyeliner so far. It's very sharp and it's very black, and it also has a tip at the end for a pencil, and the pencil is also really dark too, so I like this one. So here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm going to show you guys my look combo in the next clip or whatever, and then at the end I'm going to show you guys some up close footage of how the look came out. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.